Ngefai o Ye Jim Ting. Lesson number 1. English to Yumian. How to ask someone, how do you say ... in Mien? Hang han okong ... Ye Mien wa. So, for example, if you want to ask someone how to say book in Mien, you would ask them, Hang han okong book Ye Mien wa? And their response would be, so. So means book in Mien. Hang han okong ... Ye Mien wa?